Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and today I will share with you again new project where we are going to count the capsule. So we have basically here two type of capsule. One is basically red and white color and another one is basically the blue and white color. So with the help of YOLO 26, which is the latest object detection method, I have created the custom model which detect both capsule red and white and blue and white. So inside the project folder you will get the full Flask application along with the model, also the video file. So this is basically ready to use project, and I will mention the buy me coffee link inside the description. Also, if you are from India, you will simply buy it from GPay link. I will mention the GPay link also. So this is the project capsule counter. So I have already downloaded the project folder, so I will show you how you can use all these things. Downloads, and then pills.zip, right click and just click on extract all, click on extract. It will extract our project folder. Go inside the project folder. This is the main folder pills, and if I open the vid.mp4, so as I mentioned friends, as you can see, this is the pills which basically moving on conveyor, and we have here red and white color capsule and blue and white color capsule. So with the help of custom object detection method YOLO 26, I have created the model using RoboFlow. I have created the model, and then we will detect these both capsules like blue and white and red and white. And then we have Flask application, so we will get the counter. So for counting we have here a line method. So there will be a line here, green color line, and then detected object, each object we have rectangle box along with their center point. So when the center point of object touch the line, we will increase the counter. So this is the whole project. So let's just start. So for that we will use our VS Code. So just open VS Code, and I think I have already called the project folder. So how you can call it is really easy. I will simply mention close folder, go to the file, click on open folder, downloads, and then pills, and this is the pills main folder. Just click on it and select the folder. It will open all the files. Now app.py, which is the main Python, and code basically terminal and new terminal. So we will first go with the package installation. So pip3 install. First package is basically opencv-python. Opencv-python, hit enter. It will install opencv -python package. Then we will run the cls command for clearing the terminal. Then we will install pip3 install Ultralytics package, Ultralytics, hit enter. It will install Ultralytics package, which I have already installed, cls for clearing the terminal. And then we will install pip3 install cvzone. So cvzone, hit enter. It will install cvzone also. Okay, so basically we need Ultralytics, opencv-python, cvzone package, and then we need a Flask application. So for Flask application we need a Flask package. So pip3 install Flask, hit enter. It will install Flask application also, means the Flask package also. So this is the packages which we need. If any issue, I will mention the WhatsApp number, so you can simply join WhatsApp and you can ask any question related to this project. Okay, if any issue. So we have done with package installation. Now if you scroll down here, I have mentioned the port number 5000. You can change any port number. If you want to mention 8080, you can simply mention 800. It will open the application on 8080 port. Okay, so now we have done with package installation all the things we have done. Inside templates we have dashboard.html file. Now simply we will run the code and it will open the link which we will open inside the web browser. So this is the link 127.0.0.1 5000. Click on follow the link and it will open. As you can see, this is what our dashboard. Here we will get each track ID along with the each object, means each capsule. We have here counter, we have here total counter, we have here each class counter basically. So red white capsules 11, 12, and blue white capsule 10 or 11, whatever. So when, as I mentioned, as you can see, there is yellow color center point for each capsule. So when the center point touch this particular green line, it will increase the counter. That's it. So this is a whole project. I will mention the buy me coffee link, and if you are from India, I will mention the GPay link. So this is the project. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.